Ray from Kids Are Foodies too. Today we are doing the Bean Boozled Challenge. I'm really scared. Here are the flavors we'll be choosing from. Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti, lawn clippings or lime, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, toothpaste or berry blue, barf or peach, canned dog food or chocolate pudding, booger or juicy pear, moldy cheese or caramel corn, baby wipes or coconut, and skunk spray or licorice. I'm really scared. Let's just start from the first one. Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. So, I'm here with my dad.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm Dad.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tutti Frutti.
Oh.
No, I got Stinky Socks. Ew. Wait, ew. Ew.
This isn't good either.
Ew.
Wait.
Ew. Hold on.
No.
You got
It's not
Tutti
bad.
Frutti?
I think I got Tutti Frutti.
Oh!